How to find eSIM number on iPhone. Let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into the settings of the device. Inside settings, head over to General, and then move into About at the very top of the screen. Now, once you're inside the About, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and in the section of Available SIM, if you have added the eSIM, then the number will be visible to you in this section. Right now, I haven't added the eSIM, so it is not visible to me. But for you, if you have added eSIM, then the number will be shown to you in the available SIM, and then you'll be good to go. Also, the other way to find out your eSIM number is to once again head over to the settings of a device. Go back to the settings page and move into Cellular. Now scroll down, and in the section of Add a SIM, you will be able to see the number of the SIM that you have entered. That way you can easily find the number of eSIM, and then you'll be good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.